Wow.
That's actually really scary. I don't want that on my shirt.
I'm gonna make this a YouTube video.
So for Halloween, my friends and I decided to try out bleach painting on hoodies, which turned out to be a lot of fun and a very interesting medium of art. We had come across some videos on Instagram and thought, hey, why don't we do that for our Halloween costume? So this is us trying it out for the first time. We started off with finding inspo pictures and designing, then sketching out the stuff onto our hoodies with chalk. For me, I had this cute cat and pumpkin on the back with some leaf prints and a cute ghost cat on the front. And right after that, we finally got to the fun stuff of actually painting. For this process, all you really need to use is regular household bleach with water, synthetic brushes, and a well-ventilated area. For different depths and details, you can use different ratios of bleach to water or make multiple layers. But the process and amounts of bleach to use in general depends on the fabric and colors you have. I found out that for me, it took longer for my effect to appear compared to the black hoodie, which impacted my design in a way that I added too much bleach, making it look smudged since I thought it wasn't working at the start. It can be a little unpredictable, but that's kind of part of the fun. For the stamped leaves effect, it's basically leaves dipped into bleach that were placed onto the hoodie for a few seconds. We spent about 2 hours painting and then hand rinsed with cold water, then machine washed and dried separately for each hoodie. I was really happy with the results in the end, and hopefully I get to try this again sometime and make something even better.